Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to turn a TikTok video soundtrack into a ringtone on your iPhone. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on the bell notification. So on your iPhone, open the TikTok app. Now from TikTok, find the soundtrack from the video you want to use on your iPhone as a ringtone. Press the share button at the bottom right. Now tap on copy link. Now go back to your home screen and let's open up the Safari app. In Google search, type in TikTok to MP3. Find a website which will convert the video into MP3. I'll go ahead and click on the second link. I'll paste my link in the field and then tap on download. Now here I want to make sure I'm downloading MP3, not a video file, and then I'll tap on download MP3. Now once the download is complete, now go to your App Store and download GarageBand. This is the free app from the App Store. Open the app and it should look like this. Tap on Create Song. Now swipe to the right and find Audio Recorder. Then tap on the brick icon at the top left of the screen. Then tap on the loop symbol at the top right. Now select the Files tab. Then tap on Browse Items from the Files app. Locate your file which you downloaded from Safari. Then drag it out to the timeline. Now tap on the down arrow at the top left of the screen. Then long press on the new file which has been just created and then tap on Share. Now on this screen you need to tap on Ringtone. Give your ringtone a name and tap on Export. Once the exporting is done, go to your settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptic, then Ringtone. Here you'll find your newly created ringtone in the list. And there you go, that is how to create the TikTok video soundtrack into a ringtone on your iPhone. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.